Hey there, future crypto whales. Today, we're diving into something super valuable that's right at your fingertips, the Bitwala learning resources. I get asked all the time how to get a better handle on crypto, and honestly, the best place to start is often right where you are. Bitwala isn't just a place to buy and sell crypto, it's also a fantastic library of knowledge. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Bitwala account on the web or the mobile app. It's the same process, but for this video, I'll be showing you the web version. Once you're logged in, look for the Learn tab. It's usually in the main navigation menu, up at the top of the page. Can't miss it. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Learning Hub. The first thing you'll see is a breakdown of different topics. They've got everything from the absolute basics, like what is Bitcoin, to more advanced concepts like understanding DeFi. This is where you can choose your own adventure. If you're a total beginner, start with the fundamentals. If you already know your way around, you can jump straight into the more complex stuff. Each topic is broken down into easy-to-digest articles and guides. The beauty of it is that it's not just a wall of text. They use infographics, clear examples, and even video tutorials to help you understand the concepts. It's designed to be a quick, efficient learning experience, not a long, boring lecture. Now, a pro tip for you, check out the glossary section. Crypto has a ton of jargon, and it's easy to get lost. The glossary is your personal translator. If you ever come across a term you don't understand, like gas fees or staking, you can look it up right there. It's an invaluable tool. They also have a fantastic blog that they update regularly with market analysis and news. This is perfect for staying up to date with what's happening in the crypto world without having to sift through 100 different news sites. So, there you have it. Bitwala's learning resources are a great, free way to level up your crypto knowledge, whether you're just starting or looking to deepen your understanding. It's all right there, accessible from your account. Start exploring, and happy learning.